Babies factories. I don't know whether I don't hear about baby factories. Now women where they kidnap, they go keep them for house. They go bring men where go sleep with them, take care of them. When they give birth, those children, they go sell them. That one are the meaning of babies factories. My people, now name now Aproko Show. Welcome to the Aproko Show. Now here things they happen on 101 TV. Hey, the latest one where they happen now with they speak. Hey, it hot. This one they catch two grown-up people, man, woman. They go sell person pikin. They manufacture children the same way they manufacture chewing gum and Fanta. Now so you go just see person, hello, yes, I need 10 children, one set of twins, four black boys, 4 fair girls. I beg, make their leg no bend. I want straight leg. I want the nose to be like this. Now people they decide how the children will be. That is how now how far the world don't dey now. Now so these two people gather. Now the woman self they call first. Now the woman be the main head of this operation. One matured woman. They come call her, tell her say okay they want buy a boy. She come say okay, say she go find person where they go do the deal together. And this thing now, the boy where they need now, he dey for Anambra State. And so she go Anambra, go talk to this particular guy. One tell the guy, say, okay, you know, the deal be this, so I need this boy. So he give her details, everything. The boy can't agree. And they pay this woman 920,000. That should be like 14,000 cedis. If I know they make mistake. Now, so this woman agreed to give this guy 400,000. Now, 6,000 cedis be that. Say, make the guy go look for the boy. They agree. The guy go, he arrange everything. And so this woman, according to the things where they see her with, he carry bag, put biscuit, even put juju. He get one juju way, if you hold him, or if he dey beside you, it dey attract children. Yes, he put the biscuit there. And you know, children and biscuit and all these sweet things. And so the thing catch the boy. Come carry the boy. And the final destination now supposed to be Imo State. As they come reach there, now so they can't stop and they interrogate and they ask them questions. Now so they can't catch, they can't find out, say, no be the woman's son, and the woman begin they confess. Hey, my people, for all of you now, we never watch this video. Let's go there.
Those people. Okay, hold on. I confirm that the total sum of 400,000 naira was transferred to your account for you to get this boy. And give one from that family, Popia, where Madam, I yesterday. Pusio quick, Ebeka would Lawo. I want mama. Our mama. Kai would when? Around after 4 today or yesterday. Yesterday. Egole. My Jerebe Kutenwa, Egole Kabra for getting this 920 watts. 1,000. Egole Kibarani. Lord with you. Get one get water. 520. 520,000. Egole ki wazirani. You can have one. My brother here water. 400. Akwime kaimali bigo lulia before. No kusio quick. The andere kwa audience please. I have you here. Akwe wananyili bigo lulia before. Yes sir. Kepa tebu li bigo before.
Human beings are wicked. Did you just see what I saw? Now so they catch them, and as we they speak now, they wait, make the parents of this boy come collect this pikin. Parents, make una hear word. Train your child. I know say children get big eyes. I know, even if you're born your pikin and if you born am with big eyes, train now, make the eye they reduce. Train your child. No be any small thing or any person you go they take something from. Make una learn. Make una learn. You know easy. Evil people they everywhere. Them they everywhere, my people. Now, I dey wonder wetin this woman and the man been dey plan do with all that money. You go still chop that evil money, that dirty money. You go chop and you go sit down, say you do work. Now evil, my people. I beg, I want know what you dey think for this thing. Make una drop the comments there and share this video. One love. My people, Aaron Adati, aka Cyril for Euro series. Don't give woman belle. Hey, my beautiful people, this matter we I bring for you today is strong. By the way, my name is Aproko. Hey, this very person where they talk about like this, now actor, where they can't give an ambassador for abstaining from sex till marriage. Cyril, yes, if you don't know, I'm not for YOLO series. His name na Cyril for the series, so make me now go find out. And now, my people, the teen on ground will say he give woman belle. Meanwhile, now in they preach against pregnancy before marriage, and as we did now, the girl don't carry belle. So now my question be say the people where they look up to them, those people where in the lead, what thing they supposed do now? What thing they supposed do? Because as it stands, now he be their leader. He don't they preach against these things, and now he don't go astray. Now they say people where they lead, they worse past the people where they follow them. Now wait till they see. I be how see am. My people, this very person look innocent. If you see, it look like person who never kill mosquito before. Innocent. You no go even believe that this boy do this thing, and he still get explanation. He still get reason for the thing when he do. You feel imagine this kind of thing. Say now as impregnate woman and now you go feel lead people well. Which kind of nonsense talk be that? And people they watch him. So people when they follow him now, they hear this kind of reason when get. It's nonsense. Now as impregnate woman, he go feel lead them well. My people, make una fear men. Men way quiet. Men will look innocent, fear them, because now them do pass, so now them do pass, fear them. Anyhow, now the matter where we bring with this, so make I know how now they feel, make I know how now they see this matter, drop on a comment, make I know what you now they feel, whether on they in support or on they against, make I know. Just and not forget to share this video, make it go viral, because these matters when they talk like this, it don't go everywhere. All right, I will see you now later.